Now this is our Globus product. What's beautiful about this is a couple of stuff you guys need to know with composite. Number one, the UV resistance. If you don't have a UV coating on your composite, do not buy it, because that thing will shrink, and it will take this heat, it will take the water, and it won't look good. And functionality, it will start warping immediately. So what is a UV protection? Basically is if you look in the sun, it's super shiny. So if you put in the sun, it's super shiny. You see that glare? That is your UV protection. And also look how beautiful that wood grain is. So composite with no UV protection is a big no. There is a generation of fence out there. It's more raw. It's a little bit thicker, a little bit longer, I mean. Maybe even a little bit thicker, I saw. And it doesn't have UV protection. I personally do not recommend it. It will fail. It will make problems. It will warp. And it doesn't look so like wood. It's very consistent look, and it doesn't have that wood vibe. Here you have a combination of three. You have the wood texture around. You got this fiber kind of going in vertical way. And then you have also the glare, kind of keeps it really, really wood looking. Another thing about our composite, it has the grooves inside, the TNG obviously, so you can cut it down to sizes if you need, but always try to keep it a solid size so your UV protection is all one seam. So you got that.